One of our custom specialties here at Lordhair is our silk top injected lace hair system. Now, to make one of these systems, we attach hair to a base as we would for a regular system, and then we pull each individual hair through a piece of fine silk that is the same color as your scalp. What this creates is a look that the hair is coming directly from your scalp, since the piece of silk really just looks exactly like your scalp would. This really hides any of the knots that are in between there and creates one of the most natural systems that we have available. If you are interested in this type of hair system, you can contact our customer support team at support@lordhair.com, or you can go to our website at www.lordhair.com.
Lordhair, for a better you.